and ain't. Nah, but for real though, where you going? I have an appointment to get my makeup done. Oh, word? By who? Extreme Beauty Factor? Duh. Who is that? Is she any good? Girl, what? You ain't know? Well, let me tell you. Wait, hold up. It's the Extreme Beauty Factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slay them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows.
Hey guys, right there as y'all see that I am it's a bond remover that I'm taking my eyelashes off and put some new ones on. So y'all gonna see that in the next clip that y'all what's gonna come up. Okay guys, I hope y'all enjoying the video so far. I see y'all guys are glad I'm back doing some makeup videos. Yeah, I'm gonna do those from time to time, but yeah, please check out the vlogs as well, and please go over to Sharp's Corner as well. I have the links in the description box below. I love you guys. Talk to you soon.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams. the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could believe all the little lies you tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these.
Hey guys, y'all get that NYX blur. I tried, oh my god, I only use no other foundation but that for right now, because it gives you this skin like finish whenever you're done with it. It looks like, oh my god, I got so many compliments on my skin. And then, okay, of course guys, it comes with skincare as well, but try that NYX blur. Oh my god, and it don't cost that much, and I'll put the link in the description box below for y'all guys. But yeah, try it out, all right guys, see you soon. Hey guys, everything that I'm using will be linked in the description box below. I know it's going real fast for y'all guys, but I will have everything linked in the description box below, okay? Description box below. Alright guys, alright, love you and talk to you soon. Hey guys, I do not like that doe foot that's on the concealer that I was using. It was the Maybelline Superstay Activewear. I feel like they should have did a little bit better than that. Yeah, that little thin doe.
To me, now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love.
Hey guys, I had to use about 3 eyeliners because I wanted to use a purple. And girl, I don't know what's going on with this eyeliner. Maybe it's old or something, but no, the first one that I used was new. And it was like hurting my eyes, so I had to find something that was soft. So I got to find me some more eyeliner. So if anybody know any, just recommend me. Well, let me know. Alright guys, on to the video. Love y'all.
So much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love.
the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She slayed them faces,